Let's have a look at the machines that have taken us ever higher from our land to our atmosphere, and then to space. Boeing 777, which can fly as high as 13 kilometers. Most fly at an altitude of 10 kilometers. Within the troposphere or just above that range. The next one, Concorde, the supersonic jet, had a maximum cruising altitude of 18 kilometers. And above that range, the next one is WORLD VIEW CAPSULE, a tourist vehicle. Tourists will get a view of the planet from 32 kilometers. It's within the stratosphere limit. Its prototype test flight has successfully completed in June this year, and will be in operation within 2 years. The next one is Red Bull Stratos. Felix Baumgartner jumped from the balloon-borne capsule 39 kilometers up in the stratosphere. Northrop T-38 used for training NASA astronauts, the plane can hit a height of 86 kilometers. Just above mesosphere layer and much lower range of thermosphere layer. Spaceship One made it to 112 kilometers, and that completed the first manned private spaceflight in 2004. That same year, it won the $10 million Ansari X Prize and was immediately retired from active service. Its mothership was named White Knight. The Spaceship Two Project Apogee will be approximately 110 kilometers. Owned by Virgin Galactic. The White Knight 2 is a special airplane, built as the mothership and launch platform for the spacecraft Spaceship Two. So far, more than 700 people have paid deposits to fly on Spaceship Two, with ticket prices now selling for $250,000. Mercury capsule. The Mercury spacecraft Freedom 7 was the first American manned spacecraft to hit 187 kilometers. On 1961, Alan Shepard was the astronaut flew in it. He was launched by a Redstone rocket, which carried him to an altitude of 187 kilometers. The next star in this category is International Space Station. Astronauts work at a height of 330 kilometers above Earth. And now the farthest humans from Earth ever achieved. The current record as of 2014. The greatest distance from Earth achieved by humans was when the crew of the Apollo 13, Jim Lovell, Fred Hayes, John Swigert, were passing over the far side of the Moon at an altitude of 254 kilometers, or 158 miles, from the lunar surface, or 400,171 kilometers, that is, 248,655 miles, from Earth. This record-breaking distance was reached on April 15, 1970. And remember, Apollo 11 was the spaceflight that landed the first humans on the Moon, Americans Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin, on July 20, 1969. And now the last, not the last but the latest in this series, is Orion. Orion is NASA's next exploration spacecraft, designed to carry astronauts to destinations in deep space, including an asteroid and Mars. It's been undergoing specific tests and preparing for its first mission in December 2014. Hope you like this episode from Suggested by You. Let's discuss something that related to how far we reached, and human achievement in space travel. See you in comments section. Thumbs up if you like this episode, and make sure to subscribe to keep up to date with future videos from Suggested by You. Thanks for watching.